You cannot speak. I don't believe that you cannot speak. Maybe you are acting. Seriously, can't. Oh, okay. So sad. So, you can hear, right? Whatever I'm saying, you can understand, right? Oh, so what's your name? It's like, okay. So, Boomy, maybe, right? Boomy. So, how old are you, Boomy? Oh, where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh? Okay, that's good. You know, you are so pretty. Okay, so what should I ask? Okay, how old are you, Boomy? How old are you? 28. So it's really surprising that you can understand, but you can't say anything. It's really surprising because I didn't. Mhm. What? I don't understand. Can you please write there over there? Oh, okay. You are study. Well, but you can't speak. Okay. So what do you study, Bumi? It's like a school or college? Both. Oh my goodness. That's good. God bless you. You are trying. You are trying to study.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I,
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I knew that. So you are joking. So you're joking because I didn't see
Thank
anyone.
you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Why?
I'm
Oh,
just
just
kidding.
kidding.
Yes. And I guess
Today
because.
I
Today
have
I
a
have
day
a
off,
day
so
off,
I'm
so I'm
just
just
having
having
fun.
fun.
Mhm. That's good. So I didn't
Because
see this type of someone that those can hear but can't speak. I didn't see, even I didn't heard. So you were the only one you were saying that.
it's
Is it
possible. So
possible? So
many
many
people
people
they are
they are
can't
can't
speak, but
speak,
they
but
are
they are
hearing
hearing
everything.
everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
many
many
people.
people.
Okay.
So many
So many
Bangladeshi
Bangladeshi
people they
people
are
they are
living in
live in
Australia.
Australia.
Even we
Even
have
we
a
have
some
some
friends. They
friends.
are
They are
from
from
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Pretty
Pretty
good.
good.
Hmm.
They are
They
very
are very
good.
good.
Yeah. So where are you
Yep, yep.
originally from? You're from India, maybe, right?
Basically
Basically
from
from
India.
India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So because I just
Oh
guess your
yeah.
voice. So when I heard their voice, then it's literally same. Bangladesh, Indian is quite similar voice. That's why I'm guessed that you are from India.
Yeah. The
Yeah. The
accent is
accent is
very
very
same.
same.
Like
Like
not
not
same, but
same, but
normal.
normal.
Normal, right? Okay, so
Okay.
Okay.
Nice to
Nice to
meet
meet
you.
you.
See ya.
Yeah.
it's okay. Pleasure to meet you.
Catch you
Catch you
later.
later.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah.
Nice to
Nice to
meet you
meet
too.
you too.